slip and die, don't slip and die, don't slip and die, don't slip and die. Okay, we made it. Okay, guys, we're doing a cold start on the Cookie Monster today. While it was here, why not? It's 28 degrees. Obviously, there's snow on the ground. It's been sitting for 3 days now. We're going to see what happens. It's 12 valve with 310,000 miles on it now, right? How many miles is on it?
306 probably now.
306,000.
But it's supposedly rebuilt. Hard to tell. 1 or 2 cycles.
2. More the merrier. Jesus, don't be that hard on it. I'm probably gonna get shit for not plugging it in the first place. It's not my truck. Say it's not my truck though, so I don't give a fuck. Now that is how a Cummins should start right there, boys.
Come on, good boy. Good boy.
Doink. Good enough.
They're fucking chilly.
What's it at? 6.
It was lower than that a minute ago. It's about 750 now. Man. Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.